Hello, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato, and today is day 9 of unboxing our advent calendar. So I hope you're enjoying these videos, kind of seeing the mystery of what's inside the box and enjoying these special gifts. So day 9, this gift is a paper envelope that you'll look for, and it says, "This gift is too cute to wear with ugly sweaters." Inside this gift bag is a quick and easy project to make a unique accessory to wear this holiday season or gift to a sewing friend. So you'll visit our blog for a free tutorial on how to make this project. So let's open it up and see what the project supplies are. So here it is. You get a cut of our faux leather. This is our legacy leather, so it has this really fun natural texture to it, and this particular color is eucalyptus, so I think that goes well with holiday outfits into spring and summer, and it's a great seasonal color to have. So also for the project, you'll need some short stud buttons, so there are 4 included in the project kit, and then you also get a permanent marker, which you'll need for the project. So here are some pictures of what the finished project looks like. Not only does this bracelet look like a piece of boutique jewelry, but it's functional. Always have a ruler on hand when you wear this bracelet, which easily unwraps so you can conveniently take a short measure when you need to. Making jewelry is a great way to use up odds and ends of purse hardware or fabrics from your stash. This project has a no-sew option or minimal sewing, which makes it ideal for beginners. I hope you'll enjoy making this statement bracelet that you can actually see yourself wearing and using. It's trendy, it's chic, and it's a fun piece to show off your love of sewing. I hope you enjoy making these bracelets for yourself, family, and friends. I'll see you tomorrow to unbox day 10.